Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to do linear and binary search on an array. When we have a large data set, there is always a need to search in it. One of the simplest method is linear search or sequential search. In linear search, it sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. Let's see this in action. Suppose you have a list or array as shown and you have to search for a number 30 in this. I am also showing you the index numbers, as in arrays the index starts from 0, so number 23 at index 0 is our first number. Now in linear search, we start comparing from the beginning and compare with 23. It's not equal, so we move to next number. We compare with 14 and it does not match. Then we check with 5 and then go down one by one till we find the number we are looking for. We finally find our number at index 4. Let's write an algorithm for it. We will first take an array or list of size n. We will take in the number which we need to search for in variable num. We will then set up a loop to traverse through all elements of the array, so it begins from 0 and runs till less than n. Inside the loop, we will check if num is equal to any element in the array. If yes, we will return I, which is the index of the position where number is found. If there is no match, we will continue search in the remaining array. Once we are out of the loop or have checked all numbers, we will return -1 that the number is not found at any index. Now linear search is very easy to implement, but for large data sets, it is very time consuming. We will see now one of the other popular methods which is used, which is binary search. Binary search is also known as half interval search or logarithmic search. This search works on sorted arrays. It works by repeatedly splitting the sorted array into half as the portion that could contain the item until you have narrowed down the possible location to just one. Let's see this in action. Suppose you have a list or array as shown and you have to search for a number 30 in this. I am also showing you the index numbers, as in array the index starts from 0. Now first we will take the entire list and mark low as the beginning index of the array, which is 0, and high as the end of the array, which is index 9. We take the mid of this array, which is low plus high divided by 2, that is element at 4th index, and compare it with 30. Since 30 is more than 26, we discard left side of the array and now search only the right side of the list. For this we move the low to next number to the right of the mid. Then we again calculate the mid number of this array, which is low plus high divided by 2, and compare it with 30. Since 58 is greater than 30, we discard the right side of the array and move the high to number to the left of the mid. Now again we calculate the mid, which has 28, and compare 30 with it. It is lower, so we move the low to right side. Now we have low, mid and high all pointing to the same number, and which we compare gives us the matching number. So item at index 6 is where our number is. Let's write an algorithm for it. We will first take an array or list of size n. We will take in the number which we need to search for in variable num. We will set low to first element of array at index 0 and high to last number, which is at index of n-1. Now we will set up a loop till we search all elements from beginning till end, which is from low till high. First we will find the mid value of this array, which is low plus high divided by 2. Then we check if this value matches with the number. If yes, we return that number found at the given index. If the value is less than the middle value, then we will discard the right side of the array and set high to one index less than mid. If it is greater, then we discard the array on the left of the mid and set low to one index greater than mid. We continue this loop till a number is found or high becomes greater than low, means entire array is searched. Now we will write Java code for both linear and binary search. If you know C, C++ or Python, you can continue watching as concept-wise it is the same. I am assuming we are getting the array and number num as a function parameter, but you can write the main and take it from user as well. We first set up a loop for the length of array to go over each element. We will then have a if loop to compare num with each element. If a match is found, we return the index. We search through the entire array, and if no match is found, then we return -1. Now we will write the code for binary search. I am assuming we are getting the array and number num as a function parameter, but you can write the main and taken from user as well. We will first set low to beginning index and high to last index. Then we will set up a loop from beginning till end to search for the number. In the loop, we will first calculate the mid position by adding low and high and dividing it by 2. Then we check first if num is matching with element at mid position. If yes, we return the index. If it is not matching, then we check if num is less than number. If yes, we discard the right side of array and set high to one position less than mid. If not, we check if num is greater than element at mid position. If yes, we ignore the left side of mid and set low to one position higher than mid. This search continues till the number is found or there is no more element to check. If number is not found, then the program returns -1. This is our program for binary search. You can also do some practice programs on this topic on our website. Thank you and goodbye.